Today we're popping up 100 bags of popcorn to take to the holiday fair tomorrow. We only have 4 hours to sell 100 bags of popcorn. Can we do it? Let's find out. To make kettle corn today, we're going to be using popcorn kernels, sea salt, sugar, and corn oil. First things first, let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. A lot of people have been asking us where we got our kettle corn machine. We actually built this one. If you want to build your own kettle corn machine, check out the description for a link to the plans and instructions on how we did ours. Start in the pot, add 1 cup of sugar. Links to all the ingredients we're using today are down in the description. Hit it with a little sea salt. Mix it up. Batch number 2. Batch number 3. Batch number 4. Batch number 5. Batch 6. Batch number 7. Batch number 8. Batch number 9. Batch number 10. Batch number 11. Batch number 12. Batch 13. We popped 13 batches of kettle corn. So we have these 2 big bins, and we have this tray full of kettle corn. And what we're going to do is we're going to start to bag it up, and we're going to bag it up in these resealable bags here. They're a pouch style bag, and they have a zipper closure on it, and then also the top of this bag gets sealed in a heat sealer. And we're going to show you how that works in a minute. But these are 16-ounce pouches, 4 millimeter, and there'll be a link down in the description for these bags. And there'll also be a link for this heat sealer as well. So let's get filling these bags and we'll show you how this works. So we're going to scoop the popcorn into these bags and fill them up nice. You have to kind of pre-stretch the bag out, open them up a little bit, get that pouch open. And just shaking it out. You fill it right up. And then you zipper it shut. And then we're going to take it over to the heat sealer. And we just put the edge of it right on there. And we close it down. And it makes, I don't know if you could see that line right there, but that just heat sealed that. And so to open this bag now, you have to rip it, and then you can open up that seal. So let's get filling.
Okay, so here we are filling the bags. We're on that first tray. We're just finishing that up, and then we get on to the first big bin. And one is filling the bags, and one is sealing them. Had a little bit of an interruption there, so you're going to kind of see it jump. We had somebody come in to visit. But this is us finishing off that first bin, and now we're on to that second bin. And we're just cruising along. Got a little system going now, and it really didn't take us a whole lot of time to actually get this done.
All right, there it is. There's the 100 bags of kettle corn that we're going to be taking tomorrow. And we're going to be bringing those to the holiday fair, and we'll see if we can sell them.
All right, here we are. We're all set up, ready for the 100 bag challenge, and we're ready to go.
All right, we're back from the holiday fair, and here's one of the bags that we brought with us that was full of popcorn. So we brought 100 bags of popcorn with us to this holiday fair, and we had 4 hours to sell whatever we could sell. So let's take a look in the bag and see what's left. None. We sold 100 bags of popcorn in 4 hours. It was a great day. We made a ton of money. I always recommend you trying to do the same thing. So all you have to do is get out there and get popping.